Nagsagawa ng Information Awareness Drive ang Regional Police Community Affairs and Development Unit 4A sa University of Perpetual Health System, Laguna. Yan ang balitang hatid ni Patrolwoman Rosemary Rapids.
Gawa ng Information Awareness Drive ng Regional Police Community Affairs and Development Unit 4A ngayong September 16, 2025. Bilang bahagi ng pagdiriwang ng National Crime Prevention Week 2025, pinangunahan ni Police Colonel Mildred E. Patam, hepe ng Arpicado 4A ang naturang aktibidad na ginanap sa Performing Arts and Theater ng University of Perpetual Health System Laguna, Binyan Campus, Barangay Santo Niño. Katuwang dito ang Napolcom 4A, RACO 4A at My Brother's Keeper Pro 4A. Dumalo ang mahigit 200 participants na kinabibilangan ng mga estudyanteng kumukuha ng kursong criminology mula unang taon hanggang ika-4 na taon kasama ang kanilang mga guro.
We would like, from the University of Perpetual Health College of Criminology, would like to extend our gratitude to Arpicado 4A for conducting this training, for making our students broaden their horizon when it comes to crime prevention. Hopefully, in the near future, we will be conducting again this seminar. Thank you very much.
Layo ng programa na mas mapalawak ang kaalaman ng mga kabataan hinggil sa crime prevention at mas pagtibayin ang pakikipag-ugnayan ng pulisya sa mga paaralan at komunidad. Mula dito sa University of Perpetual Health System Laguna, ako po ang inyong Binan First Captain, Patrolwoman Rosemary Rapids, alagad ng batas, taga-taguig ng Balitang Pulis.